This is our new house that's under construction. And in this video, I want to give you a quick tour of what the house looks inside. But first, here's a recap of when we started this. We started this in June of 2023, where we cleared the lot. Then they brought in some dirt, leveled that off. Then they did the foundation. After foundation, they started doing the block, then the roof. After that, the framing inside, the rough plumbing, the rough electrical, windows, and the rough HVAC. And here we are. Our anticipation is maybe another 6 more months of this build, but let's get started with a quick tutorial. So I'll start here with the front. In the front here we have our entry. To the side of it, there's a door to the garage and the garage door. So I decided to film this with my phone because I have the wide angle. So you come into foyer over here. You can see all the rough HVAC is already done. This is the living room. Over here we have an office. Here's going to be an entertainment system. There's actually a fireplace under here. Even though this is Florida, you don't need a fireplace, but it's for decorative purposes. Here we go into master bedroom. We got a master closet over here with a window. It's kind of different, but whatever. Master bath right here with a nice jacuzzi already installed. They're testing for leaks. Bathroom and the shower. Sinks are over there. The master bedroom. Over here I'll have a little opening for all the entertainment stuff that's going to be hidden behind the TV on the other side. So this is going to have all the electronics over here. Here is the master bedroom. Coming to this side of the house, we got the kitchen over here, the island. There's going to be a little station over here. All of this will be all cabinets with an oven and stove over here. Little closet. This is going to be the pantry. Laundry. And the garage, probably my favorite place. So you can see we have some doors waiting to be installed. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So over here we have a hallway that leads to 2 different bedrooms. You got one bedroom right here with a nice size closet over here. You got the view of the window. Then we have another bathroom over here. As you guys can see, for those of you that are up north, all of our Florida homes are made with CPVC, and it goes into the concrete. So they do rough plumbing first before they do the foundation. And then there's more over here. And then this is going to be the girls' room. So this is another nice sized bedroom with a nice closet and some crazy neighbors. And then we got one more bathroom over here that leads to the lanai over here. That's in the future if we ever decide to do a pool. That bathroom will be nice to use. And then this is the yard. Another feature we added is a shower head, so that when you're working outside you can take a shower, clean off, or like I said, in the future we plan to have a pool maybe. We will utilize that shower for that. And this is what it looks like from the backyard outside. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions or subscribe and follow my journey of how we're gonna be building this house. Along with, I'll be doing a lot of projects here myself. So stick around for more videos and I'll see you on the next one.